Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this makeup look that I'm wearing right now. And I really love this orangey look, especially now that it's summer. And I know we're not going anywhere right now because of everything going on, but if you're doing like an at-home party, or if you're doing like a at-home date night or something, I think this orangey look with the orange lips is just so beautiful, especially if you love like orange lipstick and orange makeup. And I've been really into like orange lipsticks and like orange red lipsticks, so I really love how this look turned out. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to take the Flower Beauty Sun Blazing palette and I'm going to go in with that orangey shade, and that's going to be like my transition shade. Now I'm going to take that brown shade and I'm going to add that to my crease area. Now I'm going to take that even darker reddish brown and I'm going to apply that to my outer V just to give this eye look some more depth. I love to go in with the outer V shade just so that it kind of makes it more not three-dimensional, but just so it looks more like it has depth to the eye look. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes any sense. And I took my Kaja like stackable eyeshadows, and I have my stack in the name 02 Orange Blossom, and I took that second orangey glitter shade and I just applied it to the center of my lid, and it's just such a gorgeous beautiful eyeshadow. I absolutely love these things, they're so pretty. I just decided to take my fluffy brush that I went in first, and I'm just going back and just kind of softening up the eyeshadow because I feel like I had some harsh lines, and I'm just blending and blending. And the key to eyeshadow, honestly guys, is just blend. And now I took the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer for my face. I had a sample of it and I just wanted to test it out. I don't know how I feel about it, but my skin felt really hydrated and very smooth after using it. And then I decided to go over that primer with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r primer on my T-zone area, just the places where I get a little bit more oily. So I got the L'Oreal Mercier foundation sample, and I have mine in the shade 5N1 in Pecan, and I decided to put this on my face, but I didn't know it was like 3 or 4 shades lighter than me, so I look a little Casperish, a little ghostly, but please don't laugh at me. And so yeah, the shade is completely wrong, but I just really wanted to try out the foundation. Now I'm going to take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer, and I have mine in the shade Tan. I have been loving this concealer, you guys. Now I see why a lot of people here on YouTube love this concealer. It is amazing. So this is where things got a little bit bad in the tutorial. So I got this sample of the L'Oreal Mercier setting powder, but this is the glowy one. So I was like, oh, a glowy setting powder, let me try it. Well, you guys, I do not like this at all. It made my face look like a literal disco ball, and I look like a greasy disco ball, and it just the tutorial went downhill from here, let's just say that. And to bronze my skin, I'm going to take my Cover FX bronzer duo, and I have mine in Suntan Bronze. I really like this bronzer a lot. And to highlight, I took my Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this is in the shade Illuminati. It's a really beautiful shade. And for blush, I'm taking the Kat Von D blush in Poppy. It's a nice orange shade. It ties in with the look. So now I'm going to go back to my eyes and smudge that orange shade in my lower lash line just to give me an orange lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that brown shade that's in my crease, and I'm going to smudge that in my lower lash line as well. And I took the darkest brown in the palette, and I decided to do like a type of like smoky type of wing. So I tried to create like a wing with the eyeshadow, and it looks, I mean, okay, but I don't know. And to highlight, I took that first shade in the Kaja eyeshadow stackable, and I highlighted my inner corners. And I'm going to take this Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. I said it was Monsieur Big, but my mom, you know, she speaks French. Because I'm from Canada. I was born there. When I came here, I was 6 years old. We're from Quebec, the French part. But anyways, my mom was like, it's Monsieur Krystelle. It is not Monsieur. You speak French. I was like, yeah, but mom, I was 6 when I left Canada. I don't really speak it and I can't read French. So anyways, but yeah, I'm taking this mascara. I really like this mascara actually. So I'm taking this lip liner by Beauty Vaulte, and this is in the shade Beau Babe, and I'm just using that to line my lips. And now I'm taking the Sephora collection lipstick, and this is in the number 25. They have a whole bunch of lipsticks in this collection from the brand Sephora, and I really love this orangey shade. And to set everything together, I'm taking my Morphe setting spray. I feel like I always use this spray. Please leave me any suggestions in the comment section of any great setting sprays out there. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you guys like this look that I created. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!